Hello, good morning, madam, and good morning, all. Myself, Dr. Ramesh Sharma, coordinator for this workshop on e-development content from Himachal Pradesh. Madam, as we all know, during the year 2021, pandemic caused unprecedented situation leading to sudden closure of all the schools. Madam, in Himachal Pradesh, the political and administrative bill lead to the culmination of program home-based schooling Har Ghar Pathshala on e-learning platform to teach all the students from 1st to 12th class. All the heads of school, teachers, students made commendable efforts to realize the dream of Har Ghar Pathshala. Madam, I would like to mention here that the SRGs which are part of this workshop have worked for complete academic session 2021 as RPs, SRGs in Har Ghar Pathshala program. We are thankful to NCRT, CIT to organize this workshop to enhance our teachers' skill. Now, we are looking forward to work for the upliftment of teachers and students of Himachal Pradesh. Madam, now I would like to invite Anupam Sharma, SRG from Kangda, Himachal Pradesh, to present her report. Madam Anupam Sharma.
Hello.
Ji, yes.
Sir, is my screen visible? Hello.
Hello, madam. Yes.
Is my screen visible, sir?
No, ma'am.
The screen is not visible.
No, ma'am.
Sir, is it visible now?
No.
It's open. It's opening.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Sir, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Go ahead.
And the screen is visible. Okay, thank you. Thank you, sir. Good morning, everyone. Hello and welcome. I'm Anupam Sharma, working as TGT Arts in Government Senior Secondary School, Rakkar, a beautiful hilly place in Dharamshala, Himachal Pradesh.
I'm sorry to interrupt you, ma'am.
Yes,
just one request to the technical team. Can you make this session live? Once the live starts.
Hello, may I start?
I believe the live cannot be happening. I'm sorry to interrupt. Yes, you may continue.
May I start now?
Yes, you may.
Sir, I'm Anupam Sharma, working as a TGT in Government Senior Secondary School, Rakkar, a beautiful hilly place in Dharamshala, Himachal Pradesh. I'm honored to represent a brief representation of the morning session of Day 5 on behalf of the state representatives, state resource persons of Himachal Pradesh. The workshop for session 13 began with the inspiring words of Dr. Angel Ratnabai S., Assistant Professor CIET and CERT. She motivated to put individual efforts to enrich very crisp report the session of Day 4 by SRPs of Jharkhand team and Haryana team. Followed by this, the SRPs of Himachal Pradesh and Maharashtra teams were briefed to prepare reports for the ongoing sessions. Later, 2 questions were forwarded by Dr. Angel to be answered through chat box. First was, write 2 things that you find difficult during this workshop. The second is, what was the difficulty with OER? This was a brilliant way to get feedback. concluded by articulating that an effective course imbibes more audiovisual aids and less theoretical part to be read. Secondly, she proposed to break a 10-minute video and text into parts to retain attention. Third, she recommended the assignments should be application based. Mr. Jitendra Sharma introduced and welcomed our dedicated resource person of the session, Mrs. Farhana Begum. Both are representing Niti Aayog and are closely linked with Atal Tinkering Lab. Then ma'am initiated the course of the day, e-content creation using Scratch 3.0. She initiated with her agenda for the day. She explained animation and its types, various ICT tools to create animations, developing STEM animations using Scratch, hands-on activities on Scratch, and lastly, demonstration of Scratch projects. The introductory question, what are animations? Followed with obvious answers in the chat box. But there were still surprises to behold. Madam explained each type of animation with its features. Whiteboard animations, motion graphics, hand-drawn, and stop-motion animations. Then we became familiar with various ICT tools used to create animations. They are Animaker, Autoon, Adobe, Blender, Scratch 3.0, VideoScribe, and Bytable. Finally, we learned about Scratch 3.0. It is a free online programming language and online community where you can create your own interactive stories, games, and animations. It has both online version as well as offline version. Then began the application. Madam enlivened her session by typing www.scratch.mit.edu/download on her screen in the Google. Then she clicked window and then again clicked direct download. And this was a very simple step to download Scratch. She appealed to subscribe and join Scratch directly by opening the window. Madam played some tutorials for us to learn to make animations with their help. We came to know about every part of the Scratch interface. She explained each and every word written on it. Like I have highlighted in red, block palette, script area, stage area, sprite, background, and each and everything on the interface. Finally, it was time to learn to create animations. And the simple steps are, first is set up stage. And stage is set up by choosing a background and then choosing a sprite. Then we create two different costumes from block palette so that movement of the sprite can be shown. And lastly, drag and drop the required blocks in script area to get movement, music, chat, voice, and much more. This was a fully loaded session, and ma'am answered all the queries patiently and judiciously. Many chatted that the task was a tough one, but ये दीपक जो दिख रहा है टिम टिम, ये दीपक जो दिख रहा है टिम टिम दूर नहीं है, थककर बैठ गई क्या राही, थककर बैठ गई क्या राही, मंजिल दूर नहीं है. Now, I thank all of you for providing me opportunity to present the report, and I'm looking forward to Dr. Ramesh Sharma to Vijay Kumar Sharma for the ongoing brief presentation of the report. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Shri Vijay Kumar ji from Kangra, please go ahead.
Yes.
Hello. May I audible?
Yes, you are audible, sir, and your screen is also visible.
Thanks, Anupam ma'am. Respected Angel ma'am and my dear friends, good morning. After the 30th session, Farana ma'am has explained very nicely about the software. No doubt this is a wonderful tool but need more practice. And in 40th session, that was on hands-on, in which we are asked to prepare a simple animation by writing by using Scratch tool. Angel ma'am and Prana ma'am have taken queries from the participants. Angel ma'am have also invited the interested participant to do advanced course after the completion of this workshop. It was a wonderful session, and I would like to thank CIET to give opportunity to attend this workshop. I believe that after the attending this workshop, I will grow as a teacher, which will be very useful to my students and state as well. Thanking you on behalf of Himachal team. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Himachal Pradesh team. I would like to make a special mention to Anupam ma'am, who gave a very enriching, lively presentation with voice modulation. And आरोह और अवरोह का कैसे पूर्ण रूप से उपयोग किया जा सकता है प्रेजेंटेशन में, इसका सही उच्चारण दिया. Thank you so much, Himachal Pradesh team. Now I would like to request